Hi there, today I'll show you how to create a mega menu. It looks like this and it can show a lot of pages and categories. So your visitors can find what they want, click it and visit that page easily. But before that, you should know that adding more plugins and more features slows down your site over time, and then your visitors will start getting stuck at loading screens like this, which will lose you a lot of traffic and money. So first, let's just take a minute. Let us go open Google PageSpeed and add your website URL to it. And if you get a score less than 90 like this, then your site is already too slow and we need to fix this before we do anything else. Now there's a few speed plugins in the market, but they're either paid or they have hundreds of settings, which makes my head roll. So my team made our very own speed plugin called Airlift, which is completely free. Unlike me, they've built successful plugins before, so you can trust that they know their stuff. So after installing Airlift, you just need to add your site, and then it starts doing everything needed to make your site up to 3 times faster so that you can get a 90+ score like you can see here. There's no hidden conditions here. You can keep it activated for free and keep your site fast. So click the link in description and you can use it first. Then move on to the next step. Alright, let's go to the WordPress dashboard and use our sidebar. Go to plugins and select add new plugin and search for ElementsKit. And here it is. We're going to install and then activate it. Now, there's 2 things we need to do. First, we need to create a header, and second, we need to create a mega menu. So let's start with the header. Let's select ElementsKit from here and click header footer. It will take us to this page. Click the add new button here. Now in this pop-up, we'll give our header a name like this and then activate it using this toggle switch. Now we'll click edit content at the bottom. It opens up the Elementor designs page and we can design a header here. Now we'll be using a template. So let's select the ElementKit icon from the options and then the template library will open up. Now we'll switch to the sections tab and use this drop down to change category, and let's select header. Okay, now we have a lot of options here. I'll click one to preview it and let's select one, then click insert. It now takes us back to Elementor and our header is now here. But hold on, the menu is still missing. So I'll click the blank box and then use the sidebar. I'll select the menu I want and there it just shows up. I'll also add my website logo by clicking this image, then using the sidebar to choose a picture. I'll just adjust the size. Alright, now we'll update the website really quick. That's it. We're halfway there. Now let's check out the website to see the changes we've made. Looks good, but it's still kind of a basic menu. We want a mega menu. So let's head back to WordPress dashboard and use the sidebar to go to appearance. I click menu. Now we see our basic menus here. Above it is a checkbox to enable mega menus. Let's do that. Now it's enabled. Now we'll set it up. I'll hover over my mouse over the section where I want a mega menu, products, and select this mega menu option. Now that opens up this pop-up. I'll enable the mega menu using this toggle. Now I'll select edit mega menu content. The Elementor design page now opens up. I'll select the ElementsKit icon. It opens the library we saw earlier. Now let's go to the sections tab and this time let's search for mega menu. And here it is. There's quite a few options here of different designs. Let's go with this one since it has pictures for each section. I'll click insert. Now we're back on the Elementor design page and we need to edit the menu we chose. It's quite similar to setting up our original menu, but a bit more intuitive since you can see everything visually. So I'll edit the menu names first. Just select each one, use the sidebar to edit them like this. I'll also select the picture and use the sidebar to change it by clicking here and selecting a picture and uploading it. Okay, now let's edit the first section. I'll click the box of options under the coffee. My sidebar shows me titles, so let's click here, which opens up more options. Now we just edit the title and put in my product name. I'll open my product page to make it easier. Just copy the name from here and then come back and paste it. Similarly, I'll copy the page's link and put it in this box for the link. Alright, done. Now I'll go ahead and do this for all the sections. Now I'll close this pop-up and then click save in the mega menu pop-up. Close it. Click save one last time on our menu page. Alright, time to check it out. Let's head over to our website, refresh it. Now I'll hover over products. There it is. If I click any of the products, it opens them in a new page. I like how this fills the screen, but if you like to have it smaller, then we can do that too. So let me show you how. Let's go to the previous tab. We'll click mega menu and this pop-up opens. Now in this, we'll go to the settings tab, choose default width. Now save it once more, close the pop-up and save it again. Let's head back to our website, refresh. There it is. I think it looks much better once it fills the screen. So let's change it back. I also didn't remove this little banner. So let's get rid of this also really quick, like that. Also, don't miss this video where I use a new free speed plugin that can triple your site speed, which will really boost your SEO and user experience. So click here and I'll see you there.